Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to do a factory reset on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE without the application. I don't know why Samsung did this that difficult, but you can't simply, with ease, factory reset your earbuds without the application. When you don't have the application, that's only on the Android phones, you can just open application, tap reset, all done. Here we do have a very difficult process. At first, open settings, tap Bluetooth, and tap info icon near your device on your iPhone or other Android phones, but of course, if you don't have the application. Tap forget this device, forget the device, and just have your device forgotten. Disable Bluetooth on your phone, of course, don't go to the support. Just disable Bluetooth, and now close the case for a moment. Once the case is closed, open the case, and here find this circle button on the bottom of the case. Hold it till you see this button, this like blinking in 3 different colors: red, green, and blue. As you can see, now it didn't work. Let's click it again. We have only one color, so let's do this again. Close the case, open the case, and hold this button. Now close the case when you do see these 3 colors. Open the case and do the same. Hold the button until you see these colors. And now this is the factory reset. Now if you enable Bluetooth, you'll see pairing. And apart from the pairing, when you are, for example, in Android phone, you'll see this big widget of connecting right here. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.